What's up guys, Coach Jay here, Locomotion Fitness. I'm gonna talk to you today about overtraining, which is something we have seen a lot of lately. We're seeing some people doing 2-a-days, coming in thinking that volume is the key to getting more fit. And the past a bunch of videos that I've done, 3 or 4, have mentioned overtraining. And instead of coming in more and burning yourself out, needing to focus on nutrition or mindset or recovery. And also that a lot of times what drives better results isn't actually more volume, but instead more intensity. So we know without a doubt, and by we, I mean the scientific community, the coaching community, that intensity breeds results, not volume. So doing more isn't better. Working harder is better. If you come to a workout at Loco, a boot camp workout, a CrossFit workout, a cycle workout, maybe not yoga because that can be a little bit more recovery focused, especially boot camp, CrossFit, cycle, you should not be able to go into another workout right on the back end of that. If you can do that, you are not working hard enough in the workout that you came to in the first place. So if we look at a workout like Fran, for example, which is 21 thrusters, 21 pull-ups, 15 thrusters, 15 pull-ups, 9 thrusters, 9 pull-ups. If you get done with Fran and are not laid out on the ground, that means your intensity was not very high, because that workout is designed to be a glycolytic sprint and you should be on your butt after the workout. So that tells me that your intensity is not high enough and you're trying to solve the problem by adding more volume. What more volume does is beats down on your joints, beats down on your central nervous system. And you're not gonna get the same hormonal response as you would as if you just went hard on that first workout. So that is my ask of you. Before you start adding in more training, unless you're training for a specific event, which is going to be longer and lower intensity, I need you to focus on working harder. Now, some signs of overtraining, if you're not listening to me, if you're getting tweaky, if you're feeling back stuff, knee stuff, hip stuff on a regular basis, if you're having a hard time sleeping, if you're irritable, if you're achy, all of these are signs of overtraining. And you need to slow down before you actually hurt yourself. Tweaks turn into injuries on a long enough timeline. And if you do not listen to your body, that is your body screaming for you to manage your volume. It's a matter of time before you hurt yourself. If you have trouble sleeping, and I know that can be counterintuitive because oftentimes we think, okay, I worked really hard, I'm gonna be more tired. But in reality, your nervous system is having to work so hard to repair itself that your body cannot down-regulate and you can't fall asleep. A lot of times we can be so sore that it's hard to fall asleep or operate in our life. That's another sign that you're overtraining. Remember, the gym is here to serve you in your life outside of here. And if it's making it harder on you, you know that you're doing more than you should be doing. So keep your eyes peeled for those signs and symptoms. Make sure that you don't spill over the edge because it's really hard to come back from.